I hit this issue today and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you're looking to enable biometric login on your Spectrum mobile app, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Open the Spectrum mobile app. Launch the Spectrum mobile app on your device. Make sure you have the latest version installed for optimal performance. Step 2. Access settings. Once the app is open, tap on the profile icon located in the top right corner to access your account settings. Step 3. Navigate to security settings. In the settings menu, scroll down and select the security option. This is where you can manage your login preferences. Step 4. Enable biometric login. Look for the biometric login toggle and switch it on. This will allow you to use your fingerprint or facial recognition for quick access. Step 5. Confirm your choice. Before changing your settings, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Remember, if you don't see the biometric option, ensure your device's biometric settings are enabled in your main device settings. Happy logging in!